Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you are new here, hi, I'm happy you found me. Today, we are going to be making street corn and chicken. We will start with the sauce that we will mix with the corn later. You'll need 4 tablespoons or a quarter cup of sour cream or Greek yogurt. I'm using sour cream today. Next, add 4 tablespoons or a quarter cup of mayonnaise. For the spices, use half a teaspoon each of chili powder, garlic powder, and pepper. Then, squeeze in a quarter of a lime and save the rest for later to drizzle on top. Finally, add about a quarter cup of feta or any crumbly cheese you like. Mix that all together and set it aside for later. Now for the corn. I'm using fresh corn today. I boiled 2 ears of corn in salted water for about 10 minutes. Once it's cooled, cut the kernels off carefully. There are tools that can make this easier if you have them. You can also use canned or frozen corn instead. Just measure out about 1.5 cups. Next, sauté the corn for about 5 minutes to give it a little color and extra flavor. If you've made it this far, you're the best. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and tell me in the comments how your recipe is turning out. I'd love to hear. For this bowl, I'm serving everything over lettuce to make it more of a salad, but you can totally do this over rice or even turn it into tacos. I'm using butter lettuce, which is honestly my favorite. Every time I see it, I have to buy it. Have you tried butter lettuce before? It's so tender and just tastes amazing. Go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces, then wash and pat it dry. Now for the chicken, I am seasoning with pepper, salt, chili powder, and garlic powder on both sides. Also, set this out about an hour before you start cooking. This goes for any meat, it helps it get close to room temperature and makes it cook evenly. Okay, add a tablespoon of olive oil to your hot pan. Once the oil has heated and thinned out, place your chicken in the pan. You will cook the chicken for 5 minutes on each side. This chicken breast is not that thick, so it will be cooked all the way through without drying it out. If you have a thick chicken breast, butterfly it or cut it in half so it will not be so thick. I know a lot of people are nervous about cooking chicken, but no need. If you cut your chicken and it is still pink, finish cutting and then put it back into the pan and cook for a few more minutes and you're good to go. What I love about this dish is how fresh everything tastes, with just a tiny bit of kick. I usually eat a lot of meals with rice because it's easy and filling, but this was such a nice change. Once our chicken is done, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Let's finally build our bowl. Start with your lettuce or rice as the base, then add the chicken on top. Next, mix your corn into the sauce we made earlier. I think I added a little too much corn, but honestly, it was still delicious. Spoon that corn mix over your bowl and that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please consider subscribing, and if you already have, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you know someone who would love this dish or other easy recipes, send this video their way. Have a great day or night wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you next time.